In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable US stocks on TradingView Mobile. By the end, your symbol search in the app will focus on United States stocks, making it faster to find and chart the companies you care about. Start by opening the TradingView app on your phone. From the main screen, look along the bottom navigation bar and tap Charts. This takes you to a live chart. At the top of this screen, you'll see the current instrument's name. This is the ticker that's loaded on your chart right now. Tap the name of that current instrument. This opens the symbol search panel where you can control what kinds of markets and regions you want to browse. We'll use this panel to narrow things down to US equities. First, set the asset type to stocks. If it currently says all or something else, switch it to stocks so the app knows you only want equities instead of crypto, forex, or futures. Next, find the country or region filter. It may appear as all countries or a globe icon, depending on your version. Tap it, then select United States from the list. Once you choose United States, the search results will refresh to show tickers from major US exchanges such as NASDAQ and NYSE. You can confirm the filter is working by typing a well-known US ticker into the search bar, like AAPL or MSFT, and noticing the exchange labels next to results. If you ever need to explore other markets again, just return to this same panel and switch the country filter or change the asset type. A quick tip: these filters help keep your symbol search clean and relevant. If you track multiple regions, consider switching the filter only when you need to, so your searches remain focused. Also, if you don't see the options described, make sure your app is up to date, as menu labels can vary slightly between versions. That's it. Your TradingView Mobile is now set to show US stocks in search. Thanks for watching, and enjoy faster, more targeted charting.